Lisa Callis, Riverside Developments here, just wanting to give you a glimpse of one of Riverside's new custom-built homes. Take a look. This particular home is transitional in style, with more of a classic flair. Grand front entry and foyer, beautiful wainscoting and crown molding. The kitchen, the heart of the home. Whatever you dream your gourmet kitchen to be, Riverside Developments can create it for you. Coffered ceiling and gorgeous custom built-ins surround this stunning gas fireplace. Paul Callis of Riverside Developments has a keen eye for all elements of design. He's a thoughtful builder and will not only build a solid quality product, but will ensure the home has both beauty and function. As our past clients will tell you, Paul is fantastic to work with and will help to guide you throughout the whole process from design to completion. Our past clients are our best advocates. They are proud to recommend us to their families, friends, colleagues, and associates. Quality and craftsmanship that is second to none. Thank you for taking a look at one of Riverside Development's custom homes. We look forward to speaking with you and creating your dream home as unique as you are. Check out our website, www.riversidedev.com. 403-880-7592. Thank you.